So welcome back. We are still on how to get quality into backlinks for free. Okay, and I told you to get a good quality into backlink, you need let's come back. You need a website, you need an email address, you need a brief description of your website, you need a physical research work, and you need a .edu website. Okay, so you can find all those step-by-step things and how to get them on this article right on Nairalearn. Okay, now scroll down. Let's go to the website, the .edu website. Now this is the .edu website. All you need to do is to copy this .edu website or click on it. Okay, just copy it, you're good to go, or click on it and it will open on a new tab. So this is the website. Okay, and it is called academia.edu. Now first thing to do is for you to sign up. Okay, now you can sign up with your Gmail account or you can sign up with your Facebook account. I prefer signing up with a Gmail account. Now just give it a click. Okay, and a pop-up will come up. It is size special depending on the speed and the strength of your network that will determine how fast it will load. Okay, so once it's up, sign up with any of your email address. Now if you go through our article here, you will discover types of email address or sequence of email address you should use. So find time to go through the article here, okay, so that you will acknowledge the sequence of email you should use. So this is it. You have to enter your password and click next. Okay, make sure you got your password right. So sometimes this pop-up will come up asking you, are you sure you want to assign access to this website? Okay, to get access to the email address, say yes, of course that's what you want. And wait for it. It's coming up, it's registering you, and that is not the final registration. Okay, so that is just the first step. So still come back to nairalearn.com. As we said earlier, website, we have secured the website. You need a website link, which means your own website. So in this training, I will be using my web blog, which is .com. So that is what I will be using to get the quality backlinks for it. Then the email address has been defined. Then a brief description. Okay, you need to define a brief description of your site. Okay, so that is the next step. But before that, you also need a published work. I have a lot of published work, so I'll be using one to demonstrate on this step-by-step guide. Okay, now we are still progressing. The next thing you should acknowledge here is what best describes your current position. Are you a faculty member? Are you a graduate student? I'm not, whatever. Okay, so I prefer always going with this. Okay, I prefer always going with this graduate student. Just give it a click. You still have other options. Okay, now you say, do you have a PDF of a recent paperwork that you would like to share? Say yes. Okay, yes, you have. If you don't, it's an optional. If you don't, say no. But I do have, so I will click on yes. The next one is to click on choose file. Okay, and I have that here. There's a PDF I wrote some few days ago, which is how to make money from WhatsApp, and believe me, it's doing good. How to make money from WhatsApp. Now from here, you can easily import it. Okay, you can easily import it. You can also drag it. So let me drag it. Okay, both file goes. This is the document, the Microsoft Word document, while this is the PDF. Both files goes. So you can decide to upload your PDF file or best upload your documents. So here we are. Boom. I'm dropping it. So once you click on it, it will load. As you can see, it's loading. So you have to exercise patience for it to load completely. It has loaded completely, then you click on continue. You're good to go. So these are simple ways. As you can see, millions of students are here, millions of students are here, and they are getting quality backlinks to their site. Okay, so let's return to nairalearn.com. The website has been settled. I'm using bonowaxen.com. On your own end, you should use your website. I'm also using an email address related to Bonowaxen, and description. I will take the description from Bonowaxen. You should take your time to describe your project, and more importantly, your published work, of which you saw me uploaded. The one of my published work, How to Make Money from WhatsApp. You can also get it from Nairalearn here. It's here. Then we are still on the website. So let me go quickly to Bonowaxen. So over here, I already have a brief description of myself. As a meeting Bonowaxen, the Nigeria Premier ICT solution provider, a professional application developer, internet marketer, web consultant, blogger, and expert on innovation technology, helping businesses by developing online solutions that foster growth and increase productivity, etc. and etc. All I should do is just to copy this. Okay, so that is the description about me. I'll return to the site. This is the site. It's still loading. Okay, so let's still exercise your patience. Most of the time, this loading is coming from the site. It has already uploaded, finished. All you need to do is to refresh. But let me wait for it a bit. I'll do the refresh work. For that, I will pause this video and continue in a few minutes. So as you can see, it's still loading. So all you need to do is just to refresh it. Okay, sometimes I don't know why this site is behaving this way, but it's okay. It has uploaded your file, believe me. So just refresh it. So when you refresh it, if you're still on the page, all you need to do is to return back to the home page. Okay, just return back to the home page of the site. Believe me, by now it must have logged in. And you can also go to the email address you use in registering and check if you have received a welcome email. Okay, so as you can see, we are on the front page of the site and it has welcomed me automatically. Are you seeing it? It has welcomed me automatically. Bonowaxen is now mentioned in over. So apart from that, to show you how powerful this site is, it has quickly gone online and scanned my name Bonowaxen, and it has discovered that Bonowaxen has been mentioned on over 1,000 PDF. Oh my God! Of course, my name in Bonowaxen is doing great on Google. Okay, so it's doing great on Google. All thanks to God. Although the journey was not just a day journey. So once you have successfully registered and have uploaded your work, what should you do? Here's what you should do. Okay, just go to your profile. This is your profile. Okay, and click on what? View profile. Click on view. So click on view profile, because this account is a new account, so you'll be having 0 followers. Okay, and 0 people following you, and total 0 view. Don't worry about it. Believe me, in less than 24 hours, everything here will change, because this site is cool. So what should you do? Just go to here. Okay, click on what? Edit. Of course, your profile picture is already there, so no need to still edit it. Okay, go to biography. Give it a click. And do what? Edit your biography. You can add your biography. I don't know if you're getting it, so I will add this. So I will do the name. Supervisor. Use Steve Bonowaxen. Okay, that is one. Another one, Naira. Then you can have more than 1 or 2 supervisors. You can click on here. Okay, sometimes I forgot to add my website link on my about, so you should also add your website link on your profile, or if you just add your website link on your profile, okay, it's good to do. So as you can see, I've added a brief description about me, and also I've added my website and under my Nairalearn website and my WhatsApp contact address, which are very, very important. So you should take your time to write about yourself, okay? So, or if you're optimizing your business, you should take your time to write about your business, okay? So it's very, very important. So having said that, let's move to the next edition profile pages. Okay, as you can see, it's here. The descriptions are here. Okay, so what should you do? This is the book that I uploaded. That's still processing it. Okay, so very soon it will be available for the whole world to see. So click on here, okay, for more edit option. So take your cursor to the edit and go straight to contact details. Okay, click on contact details and add your email address. I will add my normal bono@gmail.com. So phone number, I will add +234 899688339. So address, you can use your office address, or best you use your home address. Okay, or like this address, that is my office address, and the address is well indexed by Google, so that's why I'm using it. So on your own end, you can use any address. Okay, so you can also ignore it. It's not mandatory that you must put your address. So if you don't feel like putting your address, you can just ignore it. Okay, so having done that, what next? You still need to come to the edit session. Okay, so on the edit session, go to the social profile. Very, very important. Let me scroll down more. So go to the social profile and give it a click. So over here, you can add your Google Plus account. Okay, first of all, starting with your Facebook pages. Okay, so let me pause it down. But before that, let me show you the most important area. If you click on this check down, you will see all these things are accounts. They are all accounts. Okay, they are all accounts. If you have your website, you can go to About Me, or you can go to home page. Okay, click on home page and add your URL. That is all. You have gotten a edu.edu backlink straight to your site, and this is to follow backlink. Okay, you can also click here again and go here, About Me. Okay, you can pick your About You URL. Okay, or best you ignore it, then you go back again. Google Plus is already here. Then Facebook, Instagram, etc. Let me pick the Facebook. I will use my normal self on Facebook. So once you're on your Facebook page, now there are different between Facebook profile and Facebook page. So it's up to you to know what you want to link to. So for here, I would like to link my Facebook profile. So just click on your name. Okay, just click on the first name, normally your surname. Click on it, and Facebook will do what will load your main page. You can now copy it. This is the URL, okay, of my main page. You can now copy it and return back to the site and do what? And add it. So you can add as many as any link you want. And believe me, I have added .edu backlink to this. I have also added domain .edu backlink to Bonwaxing and likewise here. So I'm okay with them. So on your own end, you can take the time to go through other features and do what? And edit them. If you also have money, you can upgrade. Although this is free, getting the backlinks is free. Okay? Getting the backlink is free. If you click here, you will see your full details. They are here. So in just a matter of days, Google will come and crawl this website and you're good to go. Bing will come and crawl the website, you're good to go. Yahoo and all that search engine directory will come and crawl it, you are good to go. And here's the good news, you are having a backlink from .edu website of 98 domain authority. Some people are charging 10,000, 20,000, 5,000 to do this. Okay, of course, you can also charge. If you have an audience, you can say, wow, let me get to .edu backlinks for just 5,000, 10,000. Believe me, people who understand, who know the importance of .edu backlinks will quickly pay you money with that station. So this is Nairalearn for you. So always come to Nairalearn for new guide, for new article, for new instruction, and do us good, help us grow. How do you do that? Go to the courses section of Nairalearn and order for any course of your choice. Okay? And order for any course of your choice, such as you can order this powerful course and application. Okay, with this application, you can grow up to 20,000 customers in 1 week, etc., etc. You can send thousands to millions of WhatsApp messenger to active WhatsApp number. Okay, so we also have security course, okay, for married couple who want to improve their love life. We also have entrepreneurship online master class for entrepreneurs. We have acting master class. We have film directing. We have writing master class. Okay. We have search engine. Wow! If you are listening to me, you should get this class, search engine optimization. Okay. That's your master class. It's cool. We have free computer-based tests. If you have a younger one who is sitting for jam, WIAT, etc., you should get that for him or her. It's free. We have a better female master class and so forth. We have exploitation business, Facebook master class, how to design a website, which is website design expert, etc., etc. And this is your #1 e-learning platform in Nigeria, being the Nairalearn, the University of Nairalearn, and I remember myself in Bonwaxing. Thanks for listening and take action and get enough opinion courses. Thank you.